You cannot turn it off and you cannot get the towel wet. If you get the towel wet, you lose.
Okay, I figured it out.
What do you mean?
You want to make a bet?
You did not figure this out.
If I can get this out without getting any water on it, you have to wear a Chewbacca mask for a portion of your labor.
You didn't.
If I didn't figure it out, make a bet.
Okay, fine. Bet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. That's not it. That's not
Do you
it.
see any drops?
No.
Why don't I go ahead and order that mask?
No. That's not how it works. You cheated.